Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. As you can see, finally got the stumps ground out. They just came yesterday evening. So now I got some work cut out for me today. Want to take care of all the stump grindings. You have to remove the stump grindings. You can't just fill in the hole because the wood chips breaking down will leach, will take all the nitrogen from the surrounding area and it won't grow any grass. So got to remove all of this, put in some good dirt. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm already sweating. It sucks. So I'll get back to it. All right, one's done, and I got the lawn mowed. Got some friends coming over shortly, so I gotta go clean up now, and I guess I'll work on the other one later. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. We're getting closer to that 2,500. Once we hit that 2,500, we're doing a giveaway of some sweet ass prizes. So today we gotta finish cleaning up the stump there. We got this one done here. Gotta get that one done out there. Since it's been so flippin' hot here, I haven't really been outside doing a lot of yard work. So today's the day. Morning, Saturday. We'll get some work done today. I'm already sweating. Might have to get out the tent, cause that sun is hot. Look how much rain we got here. Quite a bit of rain, huh? So now we can get the lawn mowed. Got to take care of that first, or at least get started on it. Hoping to get some dirt delivered here this week, and then I'm gonna try some turf mend out there, see how it handles the heat of summer. Let's get to work. I'm already sweating. Got the other one finished. Took a couple hours at least. I took a lot of breaks this morning. Now I just got to get some dirt so I can backfill this and the other one. You can see that I spread all of the stump grindings along the front of the house. It's got the brick on the front, so I can go up higher than like the rest of the house. That's already at, you know, highest it can go. You don't want it on your siding. So I'll let that sit for a little bit, spread it out with the rake eventually. Make it look pretty. Then we're gonna get some turf mend in these spots. Really test that stuff out. Still summer, not supposed to seed in the summer, right? But we're gonna try it out. So make sure to subscribe. You can be up to date on that stuff, see how it works out. Well, gotta go get the lawnmower ready now. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit because it's pretty tall. We just got like 3 inches of rain. So, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.